Hello, my name is Dr. Ben Thompson. I'm an audiologist. In this video, I will cover an unboxing of the Bose Sleepbuds 2. These have been used to manage tinnitus, ringing in the ears during the evening. So we're going to look at what comes in the case and give an idea of how these sleep buds work. First of all, just admire the nice case that comes with this box. We'll put that to the side. Additionally, underneath the casing, it comes with two packages of extra tips. So we're going to investigate those. Put this to the side for now. All right, as you can see here, this is the case it comes with. You have an R for right and an L for left. If I take one of these out, I'm going to touch it. You can see the tip, the part that goes in the ear canal, that's nice and soft and squishy. This piece here is small, rechargeable, fits in the ear, and then this piece curls up inside the ear there, and reaches what's called the Helix, to have a Helix Lock. This keeps it secure nicely in your ear so that when you're sleeping you can maintain the specific angle and you can maintain the comfort in your ear. Let's put that back down. Very good. You can see there is a magnetic charging piece, and it connects there into the modern charging port. When I open this and I take it out, we're now going to see what are our options for the different sizes up and behind the ear. You can see these are for the left ear. Good. It comes with 3, left and right. Perfect. We have length 1 and number 3. Well, what does that mean? We're going to open these and find out. First, I want to see if I can take this off. As you can see, it's all one sort of casing here. So to take it off, I have to pull it out over the top, and then it comes off like that. So now we're looking at this piece. This is a very small electronic piece here, but this is the Bose Sleepbuds 2 without the case. Now, how do I put on a new case? Well, eventually these might get crusty, or it might get a little gross, or who knows, and you may want to change it out for a different size. So here, I thought this was an L, but it's actually number 1. So these are the length 1 pieces. You have a pair of them. And these are the length 3 pieces. You have a pair of them. So you might be able to just keep using this for the life of the device, or you might need to replace them if you find the right size for you after some time. This is size number 2. So we're going to see how that compares to number 1 and number 3. We'll put number 1 on the side over here. Okay, this is number 1. Down there, and then here we have number 3. Open that up. Here's number 3. So tell me what you see. Well, number 3 has a larger portion that goes in what's called the concha of the ear, and it has a taller portion that goes in the helix. The tip that goes in the ear looks slightly larger for size number 3 than it does for number 1, and slightly larger for number 3 than it does for number 2. The tip piece that goes in the ear looks about the same size for number 1 and number 2, whereas the helix portion, the part that goes in and up in the bowl part of the ear, there is a significant difference there, much larger for number 2 than for number 1. So the way to find the right size for your ear would be first start with number 2, what it comes with. If that's nice and comfortable, if you shake your head left and right, up and down, and it does not come off, then you're probably okay with just using number 2 for the Bose Sleepbuds. However, if it's too big or too small, you're going to want to switch to number 3 or number 1. I'm going to put number 2 back on. So let me show you how to do that. Hold your fingers here, push this piece in, and then it snaps right in. Nice and easy, there you go. Shouldn't fall out. It's very soft material. And now we're going to put this back in the recharging case. Voila, so that's how it works. You can see here there's some charging lights which will indicate the charging status, and you will connect these to the Bose Sleepbuds app to play the different sound therapy types. This can be used for tinnitus. This can be used to help fall asleep. It does rely on Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth battery should last all night. You can check our other video out for a full review on the product. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to learn more about different technologies for tinnitus, ringing in the ears, as well as hearing loss. My name is Dr. Ben Thompson, and I am signing off.